Hello, good morning students. It's Gurpal Singh, your accountancy and economics teacher. So students, in this video today we are going to study about official reserve account from balance of payment chapter. Before starting the video, I want to ask from the students that how many of you understood about the capital account, current account. Please put your comments in the comment box. Okay, by which I am able to know about your queries. If anybody is having any query in the components of capital account or about capital account components. Okay, as I have discussed with one student, he was having problem in the components of capital account. So I'm explaining students, there are main two components of the capital account, that is borrowing and another one is investment. Okay, so and after that there are three another also given, so you have to go through other three components of capital account also. Okay, so watch that last video in which I have explained all the five components. Okay, so keep in your mind there are the five components, mainly two of and subhead are three. Okay, of capital account and in the current account also. Okay, so we have studied about the components of current account. In current account there was no problem with anyone, so in capital account there was problem with students, so that thing I have cleared here. Okay, so come to the point now. Today in this video we are going to study about the official reserve account, right? What official reserve account? See, first of all, official international reserve, what is this? So international official reserve account record change in stock of official international reserves assets at country's monetary authority, right? क्या समझे कि ऑफिशियल इंटरनेशनल रिजर्व अकाउंट क्या रिकॉर्ड करता है? वॉट एवर चेंजेस हैपन्स ड्यूरिंग एन अकाउंटिंग ईयर इन द स्टॉक ऑफ ऑफिशियल इंटरनेशनल रिजर्व असेट्स. ओके. सेकेंड, ऑफिशियल रिजर्व असेट्स इंक्लूड गोल्ड रिजर्व. अब ऑफिशियल रिजर्व में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है? गोल्ड रिजर्व होते हैं बेटे, फॉरेन करेंसीज रिजर्व, ओके, एस टी आर रिजर्व पोजीशंस इन द इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड यानी कि IMF. ओके, स्पेशल ड्राइंग राइट्स आर पोटेंशियल क्लेम ऑन फ्री यूजेबल करेंसी ऑफ इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड members, right? So see, now we will study about official reserve account with the help of a book. So what is according to our book? The overall balance is finally reflected in the official reserve of RBI. What is overall balance? Overall balance means beta summation of current account, what current account and capital account, okay, will become as a summation or overall balance of the balance of payment account. So why official reserve account reflected? Because RBI is the custodian of foreign exchange reserve of the country, okay, and all foreign exchange transaction in the country are routed through RBI. means students कि whatever transactions take place in our country, मतलब जितनी भी इकोनॉमिक ट्रांसेक्शन हमारी कंट्री में होती हैं, that all are revealed through RBI. उनको पास या रन किसके द्वारा किया जाता है? RBI के द्वारा किया जाता है. If overall balance is positive, it causes increase in official reserve. अगर आपने बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट अकाउंट बनाया है, इन हिंदी फिर से रिपीट कर दूँ, इफ़ यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड ओवरऑल बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट अकाउंट एंड इट इज़ कमिंग पॉजिटिव, अगर क्या आ रहा है? पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, in that case there is increase in official reserve. Okay, and if overall balance is negative, it causes decrease in official reserves. Okay, बात समझ में आ गई कि whenever you have prepared balance of payment account, okay, so whatever overall balance you have got it, what overall balance is whatever got it by the country, if it is in positive, it means our official reserves are increasing, or whereas if it is negative, it means official reserves are decreasing, right? Now in the above illustration, official reserve account of RBI would be shows an increase of 43574 US million dollar. In the last video we have discussed about this illustration na, तो there was a summation of official reserves with capital account, current account, error omission, NRI deposits and all. Okay, so here comes an important observation which need to be clarified, that sometime official reserve account is a part of capital account rather than a separate account. Means sometimes we have to prepare a separate capital account rather than a separate account, or sometimes we have to show it as a part of capital account of BOP. How? It official reserve are shown as a part of capital account BOP, then BOP always balance, because for the purpose of balancing BOP, increase in ऑफिशियल रिजर्व इज इंडिकेटेड बाई निगेटिव साइन. अब फिर से हिंदी में बता दूं, अगर ऑफिशियल रिजर्व अकाउंट आपका बढ़ रहा है देन यू हैव टू शो बाई निगेटिव साइन, एंड अगर डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो आपको किसे इंडिकेट करना है, पॉजिटिव साइन से. ओके, सो सी बाय द हेल्प ऑफ अ टेबल what is here, where an increase in official reserve is shown as a part of capital account. ठीक है, कि जितना भी कैपिटल अकाउंट मतलब ऑफिशियल रिजर्व की इंक्रीज हो रहा है दैट विल बी द पार्ट ऑफ कैपिटल account. Now you here you can say export is 3,08,970 million. Okay, import is this, trade balance, invisible current account balance, capital account, and error and omission and overall balance. This is how much, you can see 43,574. Okay, what is this? These are the major item of BOP students, showing how balance of payment always balances. ठीक है, कि in the 2017-18 economic survey and 18-19, and this by the help of this that survey this table was prepared. Okay, and in this at the ninth last point official reserve is indicating in the minus, that is $43,570 million. तो दिस मीन्स मैंने अभी बोला था ना कि अगर माइनस साइन आएगा इट मीन्स क्या हो रहा है, आपका ऑफिशियल रिजर्व जो है वो क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. तो इन द नाइन्थ आइटम 9 यू कैन सी हेयर कि BOP account always charge in official reserve increase or decrease, it never shows total official reserve. In the present table there is an increase in official reserve indicated by this minus sign, right? To repeat, increase in official reserve is indicated by a minus sign while decrease is indicated by a प्लस साइन. बार बार मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, अगर ऑफिशियल रिजर्व आपका बढ़ रहा है यू हैव टू पुट इट बाई माइनस साइन, आपको इंडिकेट करना है माइनस साइन से. अगर कम हो रहा है देन यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट इट बाई पॉजिटिव साइन यानी कि प्लस साइन. ओके, दिस इज ओनली देन द BOP अकाउंट वुड रिफ्लेक्ट परफेक्ट बैलेंस इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, तो in case official reserve are not shown as a part of capital account, official reserve account is separately presented and classified below line. In such situation, in this case तो जो भी हम लोगों ने अभी पढ़ा है that last table we have studied, in this तो you are recording in the including capital account, means official reserve account को आप capital account में include कर दे रहे हो. But sometimes whenever we have to prepare a separate account, in that case what we have to do, in that case current and capital account together may show surplus or deficit. Like BOP surplus means we will sum up current account balance and capital account balances when official account is not part of capital account. Okay, likewise we have to calculate BOP deficit when current account and balance and capital account we will sum up. Means if we are directly calculating BOP surplus or deficit, so that means we are not including with a official reserve account. Okay, so BOP always बैलेंसेस व्हेन ऑफिशियल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट. ठीक है, क्या बोला मैंने कि BOP ऑलवेज बैलेंसेस व्हेन ऑफिशियल अकाउंट इज पार्ट ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट. BOP हमेशा तभी बैलेंस करेगा जब कैपिटल अकाउंट का ऑफिशियल रिजर्व पार्ट होगा. ओके, देयरफॉर करंट अकाउंट बैलेंसेस एंड कैपिटल अकाउंट बैलेंसेस इक्वल्स टू 0. राइट, कि दोनों का जो सम है करंट और कैपिटल का वो क्या आना चाहिए, 0 के इक्वल आना चाहिए. Right, so here is it clear this thing? So now see, what if beta demand is greater than supply, in that case there will be BOP surplus. You know कि अगर हम लोगों ने अभी पीछे सरप्लस BOP के बारे में पढ़ा कि कैसे BOP सरप्लस आएगा, BOP डेफिसिट, तो इन दैट केस वी हैव टू सम अप करंट अकाउंट एंड कैपिटल अकाउंट. बट हाउ, वी हैव टू फर्स्ट सम अप द कैलकुलेट करंट अकाउंट ऑफ डिमांड. ओके, and then after that supply. So if demand is greater than supply, in that case there is BOP surplus, and if supply is less than demand, in that case there will be deficit, or there will be a devaluation of currency, as well as if there is increase मतलब BOP surplus is there, it means that कि R that BOP is in surplus. Okay, so or another thing also कि accumulate foreign reserves we have to here use, and in BOP surplus use official reserve to support the foreign currency, right? Is it clear? Now I'm repeating again what we have to do, how we will calculate this official reserve balance. This one here you are getting na official reserve account 43,574. So this you can get by adding current account up sum करें 48717 and capital account balance 91390 91390. Okay, so it will be 3 and 91930 है ना, and 8 minus 1 7 and 13 minus 6 7 equals 6, and here 10 minus 8 2 and 8 minus 4 42,673. How much? 42,673. Okay, 42,673, right? And after that error and omission was 902. Now add this 3 2 5 7 9 6 15 5. So how much it is coming? 43,574. Okay, and official reserve is showing same 43,574. Okay, one point will be little bit difference. Okay, so are you getting this thing ki how this overall balance or official reserve is coming? So simply you can say whatever over balance is given, what overall balance is always equals to what? Official reserve account. Okay, in such cases whenever official reserve account is included in this capital account, right? कि here and this one official reserve, whatever official reserves are there that are included in beta capital account, that is why here first of all we have calculated overall balance, right? So overall balance we have got it by adding this current account, capital account and error and omission. So there are basically three main components na. I already told you the official reserve account is we were showing earlier in separately, but the purpose was that कि to remember you that official reserve is the part of capital account by the help of this table. Okay, so उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों को कैपिटल अकाउंट करंट अकाउंट के बारे में सब समझ में आ गया है. फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ दिस थिंग अगेन हम हिंदी कि ऑफिशियल रिजर्व अकाउंट जो है दिस इज़ द बेटा पार्ट ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट. ठीक है, कैपिटल अकाउंट का पार्ट है, इसलिए ऑफिशियल रिजर्व जितने भी होते हैं वो कैपिटल अकाउंट बैलेंसेस में ही इंक्लूड होते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद में ऑफिशियल रिजर्व अकाउंट बैलेंस जो कि ये दे रखा है यहाँ पे आप निकालेंगे कि कितना रिजर्व में बचा है. उसके लिए आपको कैपिटल अकाउंट और करंट अकाउंट को ऐड कर देना है, साथ में एरर एंड ओमिशन ऐड कर देना है. बिकॉज मेन कंपोनेंट्स बीओपी के कितने होते हैं? देर आर द थ्री कंपोनेंट्स. नंबर वन इज़ करंट अकाउंट, number two is capital account, number three is error and omission. Okay, so by adding all these three you will get overall balance, right? So is it clear? कि कुछ डाउट है किसी को तो अपना कमेंट में आप डाल सकते हैं. नाउ आई वांट टू आस्क फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स कि आफ्टर वाचिंग वीडियो why you are not liking my videos? Nobody is putting comments how much you are understanding. If any kind of problem is coming, so then you put your comments, ping a comment in the comment section box by which we will be able to know your queries. Okay, so in this video only this much you have to study and prepare notes, and then in the homework you have to read it again and understand again. If any kind of problem will come, so ping me a message on my WhatsApp, or you can make a phone call to us, or you can put your comment in the comment section of the video also. So thank you students for watching this video. हाँ, one thing more कि whenever you people are preparing notes now, तो after preparing notes send your notes in the WhatsApp group also, right?